Hey all, and welcome back to SP Learning Labs. In this part, we'll begin a very important and fun topic, data visualization basics. Data visualization helps you turn numbers into pictures, so anyone can understand patterns instantly. It is one of the most powerful skills for data analysts, developers, and anyone working with information. Today, we'll explore Matplotlib, Seaborn, Ploty in a simple, beginner-friendly way. In the previous module, we have learned file handling and databases, how to load, store, save, clean, and manage data. Now, it's time to visualize the data beautifully. Data visualization. It means creating charts, graphs, and dashboards that help people understand information very quickly. Python has three extremely important libraries: Matplotlib, core basic plots; Seaborn, statistical and beautiful plots; Ploty, interactive dashboards. By the end of this part, you'll understand what each library does, when to use them. Matplotlib, core visuals. It is the foundation for all the Python charts. Every other library builds on top of it. What you can create are line plots, bar charts, scatter plots, pie charts. Here is a small example for you. You can customize labels, legends, colors, grid lines. This is the most flexible visualization tool. Seaborn for statistical plots. It builds on Matplotlib but gives you beautiful themes and statistical charts. Types of charts we have: distribution plots for histograms KT, box plots, violin plots, heat maps. Here is a small example for you. Seaborn is perfect for understanding data distribution, comparing groups, finding patterns. Ploty for interactive charts. It creates interactive charts you can hover over, zoom into, and embed into dashboards. For example, like this. Ploty is excellent for business dashboards, presentation-ready visuals, real-time analytics. Interactive plots make your insights more engaging and easy to explore. Matplotlib for foundational charts, Seaborn for statistical and beautiful charts, Ploty for interactive visualizations. Common errors that we face during visualization. Beginners often face these problems, like forgetting plt.show. This results in no output appearing. Overlapping x-axis labels. When data has too many categories, labels become unreadable. Using categorical data as numbers. This leads to misleading plots. Too many points on scatter plots. Charts become cluttered. Not setting a figure size. Charts appear too small or compressed. Here are some never mentioned facts. Seaborn adds aesthetic default automatically. Jupyter may require %Matplotlib inline to display charts. Matplotlib styles can be changed with plt.style.use. Ploty can create dashboards using Dash. Seaborn pair plots help explore relationships across multiple columns very quickly. These small ideas help build better charts professionally. And that completes our data visualization basics. You now understand how Matplotlib builds core plots, how Seaborn adds beauty and statistics, how Ploty creates interactive visuals. In the next video, we are moving into web scraping, APIs, Flask, Fast API and Streamlit, a very practical and powerful module. See you in the next one. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to SP Learning Labs.